Hey guys, I'm Rita. In this episode, I will show you how you can upload a bank statement on LessAccounting. To upload a bank statement, you need to go to account in which you want to upload. So go to banking and click on this import data link in which bank account you want to import data. So in my case, I will have a business account. To import data, you have an option to select one of the three below. In my case, I will have manual upload account transactions. And there is a note. You cannot upload CSV, so you will need to convert CSV file to QIF or QFX file. To do so, you can click on File Converter and create an account here and convert your CSV to one of these two file formats. I will cover that in next episode, so check it out. Okay, so once you have created QIF or QFX files, click choose file. So in my case, I have QIF file here. Click open and click upload file. Now it will show all transactions, and we need to allocate expense categories to each of these transactions. So for example, I have cost of goods sold, okay. So once you have allocated all your expense categories for outgoings, so for expenses, click save. Okay, there was a warning or a message saying that transactions are in the process to being uploaded, but I can see already that my balance has changed. And if I go to transactions and I will click on all dates, I can see that the transactions have been added already here below. So they've been recorded. So this is a way how you can upload manually bank statement on LessAccounting. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my LessAccounting tutorial and review of this accounting software.